today's new topic, that is preposition. In the previous class, I have already explained about your preposition. Now we will do some exercise so we can understand very well. Now look at here, all of you. The box is dash with oblique of toys I want to give away. So here the box is full of toys. So here will come preposition, that is of. We buy apples dash from oblique beside the shop at the corner. We buy apples beside, that is just near the shop. That's why here it will come beside. If a long distance, then from will come. But here the we buy apples beside the shop at the corner. The cat hold under oblique in the table. The cat hold under the table. The cat hold under the table. Let us wait after oblique for the sun to rise. So let us wait, yes, for the sun to rise. Let us wait for the sun to rise. Clear beta? Here the for will come. The kangaroo jumped dash the fence by oblique out oblique over. The kangaroo jumped over the fence. The children walked dash the forest. The children walked into the forest. The children walked into the forest. The train is going dash the tunnel. The train is going across the tunnel. The across will come. The customers are standing dash the bank. The customers are standing outside the bank. Clear beta? Here outside into with, so outside will come. The sun rays enter in our room dash the window. The sun rays enter in our room through the window. The transparent glasses are there, so it will cross. There is a park dash my house. There is a park behind my house. Behind my house. Clear beta? Next one. Idli tastes nice dash with chutney. So with chutney. Idli tastes nice with chutney. We lived in Jaipur dash 2009. Here the fixed period of time is there, so that's why we will write down since. Clear beta? Are you going to Agra bus or by taking the car? It means by. By will come. Clear beta? The prize money was shared dash all the players in team. The prize money was shared among, means we are giving to everyone. Clear? I am not going dash school tomorrow. I am not going to school tomorrow. Dwarika is the Indira Gandhi International Airport. Far, near, at. That is, Dwarika is near the Indira Gandhi International Airport. There is a letter dash you, that is for you. There is a letter for you. Now come and look at this exercise. After and behind, these are also the preposition. A cat, yes, a cat ran behind a rat, but it went up and hid after a wall painting. Next, the players ran behind the ball, but the coach remained after the goalkeeper. Clear beta? Now, besides, between and among. These are also the preposition. Now look at here. I sat beside Rohit and divided all the duties among us. Whenever we are dividing the duty to everyone, that time we will use among. Yes, dash a joyride. The children wanted to see a film. This they had discussed dash themselves. So here also will come besides. Clear beta? This one. A joyride. The children wanted to see a film. This they had discussed among themselves. Means they all have decided, then they made a program. There was a drawing competition dash Sita and Gita. Means here it will come between. Between Sita and Gita. I sat beside I sat beside my friend who sat between two strangers. Clear beta? Now, for and from. Now look at here. There is a letter for you. It has been posted from Mumbai. Clear beta? There is a letter for you. It has been posted from Mumbai. Neha is preparing for the annual examination. He studied from morning to late night. Clear beta? Now at oblique by to oblique with. Now I like to play chess with Rohan. My tennis coaching starts at 5 p.m. so I must reach by then. Clear? He asked me to stay back with the other. Clear beta? She did not want me to go for the picnic with the boys. Again I repeat, she did not want me to go to the picnic with the boys. So these are the exercise. If you have any query, any question, if any doubt, if you have any query, any question, any doubt, then write down in the comment box and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.